So we're gonna take it slow. This is solo 1. We're in standard tuning, by the way. I'm gonna slow it down. So that's the first one. We'll do it again. Second group. Okay, let's try it now with my looper, and we're gonna play it in real time. But this is standard tuning again, okay? Here we go. Alright, so that was guitar solo 1. I'm going to play guitar solo 2 really slow. We start here. Remember that the guitar solo 2 picks up on the third beat, 3 and beat of the C chord. So if you're playing G, 2, D, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 3 and 4 E and so after 3 there's an end count, 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4 and on the end after 3 that's where you play this. Okay, so it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3 and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, so that's the rhythm. Okay, so let's continue with that one. There you go, that was slow motion. Now we're gonna play it along with the looper guitar backing track. Ready? G, D, 1, 2, 3 and Okay, so that was guitar solo 2. Okay, just be aware that it comes in on 3 and on that second solo in C, in the C part. So C, 2, 3, and 4. C, 2, 3, and 4. That's 3 and. There you go. Okay, so I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one.